Chapter 6 Application of Derivatives, Exercise 6.3 or 6.5 in the previous textbook. Question number 24. Show that the right circular cone of least curved surface area and given volume has an altitude equal to root 2 times the radius of the base. So I have given a cone here. So it's having a height h with radius at its base, that is r, and a latent height l. So let r be the radius of the cone, h be the height of the cone, l be the latent height of the cone. Now v will be the volume of the cone and s will be the curved surface area of the cone. Now first, what is volume of the cone? That is, we have the equation for volume of the cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So from this, h can be find it out, that is h is equal to 3v by pi r square. So we have given the curved surface area of the cone, that is, what is the equation for curved surface area? That is s is equal to pi rl or pi r into l. So what is l? In order to find l, we have h and r, we are considering the right angle triangle here. So since L is a hypotenuse, we can write L square is equal to h square plus r square, or L is equal to root of h square plus r square. Substituting that, we have s is equal to pi r into root of h square plus r square, or s square is equal to pi square r square into root and square is cancelled, so h square plus r square. So we have s square, equation for s square. Now instead of h, we are first opening the bracket. So s square is equal to pi square r square h square plus pi square r square into r square, that is pi square r raised to 4. Now instead of h, we are substituting the value of h, that is 3v by pi r square. So we have pi square r raised to 4 plus pi square r square instead of h square, that is 3v by pi r square whole square, or we can write pi square r raised to 4 plus pi square r square into 3v by pi r square, that is 9v square by pi square r raised to 4. So we have pi. Cancelling the pi square r square from numerator and denominator in the second term. So we have s square is equal to pi square r raised to 4 plus 9v square by r square. Now what is d by dr of s square? That is d by dr of pi square r raised to 4 plus 9v square by r square. D by dr of pi square r raised to 4, that is pi square into d by dr of r raised to 4, that is 4r cube, plus d by dr of 9v square by r square, that is 9v square into d by dr of r raised to minus 2, that is minus 2r raised to minus 3, that is minus 2 by r cube. So we have pi square 4r cube minus 9 into 2, that is minus 18v square by r cube. That d by dr of s square is equal to 4r cube pi square minus 18v square by r cube. When d by dr of s square is equal to 0, we can write 4 pi square r cube minus 18v square by r cube is equal to 0, or 4 pi square r cube is equal to 18v square by r cube. R cube is taken into the left side, so we have 4 pi square r raised to 6 is equal to 18v square, or from this r raised to 6 is equal to 18v square by 4 pi square. 4 and 18 is cancelled, so we have 9 by 2 v square by pi square, that is r raised to 6, or r is equal to 9 by 2 v square by pi square whole raised to 1 by 6. Now moving into the second derivative, that is d square s square by r dr square, that is d by dr of d by dr of s square, that is d by dr of 4 pi square r cube minus 18v square by r cube. So we have d by dr of 4 pi square r cube, that is 4 pi square into r cube, that is 3r square minus 18v square into d by dr of r cube r raised to minus 3, that is minus 3 r raised to 4, or we have 4 into 3, that is 12 pi square r square plus 54. 8 into 3 is 54 minus, so plus 54 v square by r raised to 4. So if we are applying a value of r into the equation, and when we solve that, we will be getting a positive quantity, that is clear. So if we are getting a positive quantity, we will be having minima when r is equal to 9v square by 2 pi square whole raised to 1 by 6. Now we are going back to what is h, that is at initial h is equal to 3v by pi r square. So we dividing both left hand side and right hand side by r, we have h by r is equal to 3v square by pi r square into r, that is pi r cube. So that is h by r. So instead of r, we are having 9v square by 2 pi square whole raised to 1 by 6. Substituting that, 3v by pi into 9v square by 2 pi square whole raised to 3 by 6. or that is h by r. So h by r is equal to 3v by pi into 9v square by 2 pi square whole raised to 1 by 6 whole cube. or 3v by pi. 1 by 6 into 3, that is 1 by 2. 6 and 3 cancel. So we have 3v by pi into 9v square by 2 pi square whole raised to 1 by 2. Or we can write 3v by pi into root of 9v square by root of 2 pi square. We are taking 1 by 2 is root. So we can write 3v by pi into 3v by root 2 pi. Pi square v square 9 is taken outside. 9 is the root of 3. So we have h by r is equal to, by cancelling all the terms, we have the remaining, that is only root 2. So we can write h is equal to root 2 into r. So from this we can write curved surface area of a cone is minimum at its altitude. Altitude means h is equal to root 2 of the radius at its base. So in the question it's given that a cone with least curved surface area is having the and given volume has an altitude which is equal to the root 2 times the radius of the base. That is the question. So hence we have proved.